Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mohammed Saim Khan and we are in week 2 of this business tourism course and we were discussing the types of events. So we'll continue with that and along with that I will be discussing a little bit about event management, but details of that will be in a later week, and the benefits of business tourism and factors boosting growth of the event tourism industry and trends and dynamics of global event tourism. So, without any further ado, let us start. So, we were discussing the types of events. Well, next we have celebration. There is always something to celebrate, as celebrations tend to be organized by individuals. There are no hard and fast rules when it comes to venues, sizes, the order in which things go, and so on. You might celebrate these events at home if there are only a few of you, or hire a huge venue if you want to invite everybody you know. Some examples are wedding receptions and funerals, birthday parties, graduation parties, baby showers, prom nights, religious festivals. So these types of events are all, of course, very different from each other. They share, in fact, uh, that they are celebratory by nature, but often that is where the similarity ends. You might host your wedding reception at a local hotel, whereas royal events are often marked by street parties. Again, it is up to you with this kind of celebration where you have it, who you invite, and what the dress code is, and so on. Next is social enterprise event. These types of events are usually aimed at fundraising for a specific cause, no matter how big or small that cause is. They might include charity dinners, galas, balls, auctions, charity football matches, race nights, charity fashion shows. So there are many other examples to be found, but these are some of the most common ones. Again, they vary when it comes to the venue, as this is dependent on the type of event. Okay, these events are usually ticketed with the cost of your ticket going to the charity. There will also be other chances to donate on the night, usually in exchange for an experience or item. Conferences, well, conferences are very much business events. They are, it's an additional type of business event, but they are a whole type of event in their own right with a lot to cover. They are so diverse in nature, ranging from small local conferences to global conferences. There are internal company conferences, industry wide conferences, and also public conferences. Some are a one day event, while others are overnight or even lasting up to a week. Many are now also streamed online, which is great in terms of accessibility and also reducing the need to travel, thus having a positive impact on the environment. These conferences also include a lot of different elements. Some of these are staff training sessions, yeah, staff training sessions, and we have keynote sessions. There are breakout sessions and lectures, seminars, team bonding exercises, promotional talks. So, from political conferences to technology conferences, these are a major type of events. Next, we have promotional events. Well, when a brand or company wants to launch a new product of some sort, there are a lot of promotional events which will occur. I think you all will agree with this because we are continuously living um, that era in which this is happening. So these vary entirely by nature, but are linked by the fact that they all used to promote the new product. They include trade shows, product launches, press conferences, publicity stunts like flash mobs, you all have seen on your social media handles, right? Touring campaigns, example, handing out freebies in city centers. So there are many examples you will be able to think of when it comes to promotional events. And last but not the least, we have exhibitions. These type of events take place specifically in exhibition centers, which are large scale venues in central locations with excellent transportation links, plenty of parking, and brilliant customer facilities. These will generally there will generally be a lot of hotels nearby, so people participating in the exhibition have somewhere to stay. Exhibitions also tend to run over a few days. Some great examples are American Trucking Show, the Auto Expo in India we have, right? So there are exhibitions for every niche, topic, interest, and area. So they are used to promote innovations, sell products, educate people, and so much more. So these were the types of events we were discussing. Now, just a brief about event management. So it's a process of planning, coordinating, and executing events. It includes everything from selecting the venue and managing the logistics to ensuring that the event runs smoothly. Multiple aspects of event management. The most important one are like venue selection, right? So choosing the right venue is crucial to the success of any event. The venue must be able to accommodate the number of guests, have appropriate amenities, and be located in a convenient location. Secondly, logistics. So once the venue has been selected, event managers must handle all of the logistics involved in setting up and running the event. This includes everything from arranging for audiovisual equipment to booking transportation for guests. Thirdly, on site management. So, on the day of the event managers are responsible to ensure that everything runs smoothly. They may need to deal with last minute changes or problems that arise, and they will also be responsible for overseeing any staff who are working at the event. Okay, most of this event management and everything about it will be covered in detail in our later weeks, most probably week 4 or week 5. So next, some benefits of event tourism. So event tourism is hugely beneficial to the tourism industry because it brings in money. Events attract people and people spend money. Uh, People need a place to stay and somewhere to eat, right? So events also create jobs. Someone needs to build the venues. There needs to be security working on the door and a customer service agent selling tickets. The events industry contributes to many of the jobs in travel and tourism. Events can also help to put destinations on the world map. You may never have heard of a place before, but if they host a big event, especially if it is a global event like the Football World Cup or the Olympics, then people all over the world will learn about the destination. This can often have long lasting effects and can even be a catalyst for the start of a booming travel and tourism industry. Well, what are the factors boosting the growth of event tourism industry? Well, globalization of events, yes. The evolving consumer preferences and an increased focus on unique experiences. Surging popularity uh, of event tourism due to the allure of unique experiences it offers to travelers, and increasing interest in sports event tourism, the convergence of technology, social media, and a desire for immersive, memorable experience, further rise in business event travel, increasing influence of social media, increasing government investments in developing and transforming event hosting destinations, growing popularity of events like Olympic Games among travel enthusiasts, and favorable government support for the event tourism sector as it helps to boost the economy, and rising number of music concerts and trade shows, increasing influence of social media, obviously, development of new event hosting destinations. So these factors boost growth of the event tourism industry. And let's talk about the global event tourism trends. Well, wellness tourism integration in event planning, and growing interests in experiential travel. Don't worry, we'll go by these point by point in when we'll be discussing the event management specifically, right? So these all points have taken proper care of, and in detail that explanation will be given in our further weeks. So it's kind of giving you just an introduction or taste of what is coming in the next sessions. Next is technology integration in event tourism and the rise of hybrid events, and rising focus on exploring new cultures, locations, and events, and event data analytics leveraging insights for enhanced experiences, robust growth of business tourism, rising popularity of virtual tours, collaborations and partnerships between event organizers, communities, and local companies. So these are the global event tourism trends, which we will discuss in detail in later weeks. Okay, let's talk about the event tourism industry dynamics. Embracing innovative tech solutions for seamless event planning. So the global market is experiencing a significant surge due to the widespread adoption of innovative technological solutions that streamline event planning processes. These tech advancements, such as virtual event platforms, data driven analytics, mobile event apps, and immersive experiences, have revolutionized the way events are organized and executed. For instance, uh, the integration of virtual and augmented reality in event planning allows for immersive experiences, right? Enabling remote attendees to participate actively. Similarly, data analytics tools provide valuable insights into attendee preferences and behavior, aiding organizers in crafting tailored experiences. Mobile event apps offer convenience, allowing participants to access schedules, maps, and real time updates seamlessly. So, this tech driven approach not only enhances event management but also optimizes operational efficiency. The tech driven approach helps to attract a broader audience, improves event outcomes, and foster innovation in the industry. This in turn will likely drive the growth of the event tourism market. you know, uh, Tailoring events to individual preferences, yes. So the global event tourism market has been significantly influenced by a shift towards tailoring experiences to individual preferences. This trend recognizes the diverse interests and desires of travelers, leading to personalized events that cater to specific preferences. For instance, like music festivals offering various stage featuring different music genres, art installations, and culinary options. They allow attendees to craft their personalized festival journey. And strategic alliances sorry, between event organizers and local firms. So they are pivotal drivers of global events tourism market growth. These collaborations foster symbiotic relationships, enabling event organizers to tap into local expertise resources, and networks while offering companies an opportunity for increased visibility and economic benefits. Event organizers often partner with local accommodations, restaurants, transportation services, and attractions to create comprehensive packages for attendees, enhancing the overall event experience. So, such alliances not only ensures seamless logistics but also promote the destination as an attractive hub for tourism, bolstering the local economy through increased visitor spending. And collaborations facilitate cultural exchange, showcase our region's unique offerings, and contribute to sustainable tourism development by fostering um, community engagement and support. So, as a result, strategic partnerships between event organizers and local companies play a fundamental role in driving the success and expansion of the global event tourism market. Let's talk about global event tourism markets segmentation by category. Well, by type, we have exhibitions and conferences, festivals, corporate events and meetings, music concerts, and some others. By channel, if we talk about, so we have virtual channel and physical channel, and by tourist type, well, we have domestic and international. By revenue source, we have online registration, offline registration, sponsorship. By consumer orientation, well, we have children and adult segmentation. Let's talk about the regional segmentation. So, North America, Latin America, East Asia, South Asia, and Pacific, Western Europe, Eastern Europe, Middle East, and Africa. So, our exploration delved into the intricacies of event management, highlighting the strategic planning essential for successful events. We uncovered the diverse benefits of event tourism, examining factors boosting growth in the event tourism industry. We identified key drivers propelling its expansion. And last year, insights into global event tourism trends and dynamics provided a glimpse into the evolving landscape shaping the industry's trajectory. So, this comprehensive discussion offers a holistic view showcasing the strategic management benefits, growth catalysts, and global trends within the dynamic realm of event tourism. So, we again in this particular video we started with the remaining types of the events which we were doing in the previous video. After that, a little introduction of the event management and what are the benefits of event tourism, what factors boost growth of event tourism, and global event tourism trends and the dynamics of event tourism industry, and lastly the segmentation by category of event tourism market. So with this, I would like to take your leave, and we'll meet in the next video, right? And we'll continue with further discussion on business tourism. So take care and have a nice day.